I'm going to talk to you today about how to look after the children during the lockdown time. Of course, it is very difficult task for the parents. There are parents, they overstretched in this aspect. The school-going children, college-going children, and the young people just completed their college studies and waiting for the employment, and the middle-aged people, those who are working for the company, that too working from the home. This is very difficult. The young people keep roaming, for the sports and the games, for some other entertainment, all those things. They cannot sit idle at a place. But we have to sit. This is the condition. This is the prevailing situation. Fine. What to do now? How to go about it? This is what I am going to tell you now. This video basically I am making because one of my friends from Siliguri, he just suggested me, why not you make a video, sir, on this aspect? So I am making it. My friend name is Badrinath from Siliguri. Controlling the children is the prime duty of the parents. But how to control? It's not 1 day, 2 days, 10 days or a few months. Already 1 year over. Now people are frustrated, both the children and the parents. Now this is a time. We have to find a new strategy to control the children. In a profitable, I can say that, or useful method, the children to be looked after. Okay, how? Today in this video, I am going to just randomly talk to you. In my next video, topic wise, I am going to talk. Yes, parents, you have to engage the children with indoor games. This is invariably, already people are doing that. There are parents, they have not concentrated it so far because the parents are having a mobile in their hand and given one mobile to the child, or in case of 2 children, given 2. So they are the 4 at a home, all are engaged with the mobile. So it will spoil their eye and the eyes, and it will spoil their personality of the health, etc. So better parents kindly don't give mobile to the children. Of course, if they are grown-up children, of course they know that. Still, you have to control. However, you have to make them busy with indoor games like chess, carom board, and some kind of, you can play the cards also. If you do not know, you learn it. The chess is very wonderful game, and it's our traditional game if you go back to our history. And those parents who do not know the chess, please kindly learn it and teach your children and make them busy in that. It's a very interesting. Once you learn it, you cannot just get away from the game. It's a very interesting. That is one. Then carom, of course, it's an easy game. That also you can. Then cards also you can engage with. Some kind of drawings, some kind of general knowledge and quiz. If you 4 are there, you get into a song competition and teach your children to learn singing, dancing. There are so many aspects. But only thing, we parents are not interested, and we do not have that kind of patience to teach and make our children engage in this kind of activities. Also, take your children to the kitchen. The good mother, with your polite and lovely words, bring them to the kitchen, show each and every spices, each and every vegetables, and how to make it, all those things. In case small dishes, how to make all those things, you can just tell your children. When they are small little babies, like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, like that, they will pay more interest, more attention to learn, and fruits name, vegetable name, etc. This is other one kind of engagement method. Right. Other than this, we have got beautiful beautiful stories from Mahabharata, Ramayana, and our historical events like Rana Pratap Singh, like Jhansi Rani, and there are so many. I'm just randomly telling you, so I am not getting it. But once you get an interest, you will get it. And there are small events, the small books also being released and published that you can take and give to your children, ask them to read and ask them, oh, what Arjuna was doing, who is Krishna, all those things. Like that, just engaging them. When you give a book and ask them to read, they will read. Then what happened? You are not bothered about it, and neither you are asking about what they studied, what they read in the book. They will keep quiet. Their interest also they lose. Okay, fine. Then tell about your family background, your background as a mother, as a father, his background, and that family history, then our Indian history, then our world history. So like that, one by one, you make a syllabus. Every day you have to make a syllabus. Today I'm going to teach this. Instead of teach, you make it as I'm going to make my son engaged on this topic. Like that, one by one, you have to come out with some kind of a new strategy to make them engage, but in a useful manner. If you ignore, if you are also frustrated, they are not frustrated, but they are restless. What to do, where to go, they do not know. They keep fighting. In case the more than one children at a home, they keep fighting, and you keep compromising them. And you are busy with your mobiles, and they are busy with their mobile. So no, don't do that in future. Our children, Indian children, are very, very bright, and you know that I need not to tell. So in future, today onward, I'm going to make a couple of more videos on this. In case whatever I'm telling, if you just listen it carefully, so that what will happen, you get new ideas. I cannot tell you each and everything, of course I do not know that. These are the simple method. Once you start, the ideas will keep coming. So parents, that's all today in this particular video. So next video, I will come with particular one or two topics in detail, so that you get more ideas how to engage your children. Right? Because you see, people are concentrating on their children's education. That too, what how many marks, how much mark number they scored, and they want their children should score 100%, 99%. But it's of no use. If you are concentrating only on their studies, they become bookworms. You bring them with the all-rounder. You teach them everything, including gardening, including the cooking. And if you are in having a space outside, if trees are there, teach your children to climb up the tree also. What is bad in it? Let them play in the mud. Okay, anyway, I have to have material for tomorrow's video. So I'm completing, means ending this video with this. Till then, Jai Hind, goodbye.